Yes, we can start now. Sorry for the delay because one subject scholar came and I had to go through his report. So we
Oh,
can
okay,
start.
sir.
You can share the screen.
Sir,
Yes, I am allowing it.
okay, sir. So basically, sir, I have already presented in the progress report in the previous semester ending progress report that I have completed the pre-processing part and developed a denoiser, noise estimator, and expert denoiser. And currently, this semester, I will focus on three things. The first one is the comparative study of the developed noise estimator and expert denoiser with different commonly available networks technologies, that is FFD-net, DRU-net, noise to noise, and another is our one. And the second work I will do in this semester is the creation of rice leaf nutrient deficiency dataset. So, which was one of the objective of our study. And the third one is the development of classification model for accurate classification and prediction of rice nutrient levels. For this, for the third one, I have already uh, created a review paper, prepared a review paper and already published. And the further works will be conducted after completion of the first two objectives. And the first and currently working on the first and second uh, works. So first, I have uh, created some. Actually, I have started the study for this, comparing this noise estimator and expert denoiser with FFT net, DRU net, noise to noise. These three the commonly available network technologies for image denoising. So the FFD net is a CNN based denoiser. This is also known as fast and flexible uh, denoiser based on CNN. And the second one, DRUNet, is actually unit based denoiser and is a resource heavy network. And the third one is noise to noise. Uh, this is a self-supervised denoiser which doesn't require a clear image, doesn't require clean image to train. So it is trained using two noisy samples of the same image. So this is a self-supervised denoiser. So I'm working on currently working on uh, evaluating the performance of these three uh, commonly available architectures with the one for which I have developed in the last semester, need film condition expert denoiser. So here we will compare the PSNR and SSIM as in the early cases also. So also we'll study the computational efficiency and robustness to diverse noise types and noise levels. So this what I am currently working. So for this, I am using the same noisy dataset used in uh, the previous study, that is for comparing sorry, for training the uh, two any ED model. One is the lighter one, which contains four blocks, and the deeper one. That is, we have already two noise estimator and expert denoiser model. One is the lighter one, and another is the deeper one. So those noisy images will be used for training this FFD net, DRU net, and will we are incorporating one uh, more set of noisy images for this noise to noise uh, uh, denoiser. So I have already worked with the FFD net, but DRN for this DRN training the deer unit model. Actually, we need more resources, so it is taking more time because it is unit based. And already I have also already tested one of the unit based model, which I have talked to you earlier before submitting the progress report, which I have discarded. But for comparison of the comparing the performance of our model, I'm incorporating the dual unit model here also. So these three models will be compared with the our two models, lighter and deeper need model, and also we'll compare the traditional filter performance of the traditional filters combined with clay, which I have already published a paper and submitted the report earlier. So for this, we specially compare the PSNR and SSIM uh, of the output images, the noise images, and also uh, for the model performance, we will uh, check the runtime and also memory uses and uh, the improvement ratios as I have compared other models previously. And also side by side we'll compare the quality visuals or images side by side for each of the models. uh, so for this I'm preparing a paper, so I think within 15 I can submit to you for uh, your suggestions. So this is the first work I'm currently working, and the second one is the development of creation of rice nutrient deficiency datasets. So for this, I have already talked with, discussed with Dr. Bhavesh Gogoi sir, and planned an experiment which will be started after Bihu, because we have lots of pre uh, works for this experiments. So we have planned the experiment like this. So the main goal of the main objective of the experiment is to create level image datasets for rice used for nutrient deficiency detection. So the four classes of images will be uh, created. So for NPK and healthy, so four classes will be there, and for each class we are planning to create about 1,000 images per class. So for that we will collect at least 250 raw images for each category, and after that we'll augment those images, and then uh, we'll create around 4,000 plus images, a total 4,000 image data set for the whole four classes. So for this experiment we're using we'll be using the locally available and popular rice varieties like Ranjit and Masuri, which for those varieties I have uh, seeds with me. So, uh, and the varieties Ranjit and Masuri are familiar for our locality. So, this one of these varieties will be used for our experiment. And as discussed with Dr. Bhavesh Guru sir, so we are cultivating the rice plants in disposable tubs or disposable glass, so that they will be less expensive and as well as easily manageable.
Disposable
So,
glass.
sir, yes, sir, disposable glass like the used in temporary events or like that one.
Means the where this tap will be means the cap means in a
Yeah,
cultivated ground or
for that we need a temporary shade, and I have arranged that we have partial 75% shaded nets are available with us.
okay.
So we'll use those shade as a shade net for keeping those tubs. So for this actually I was planning to keep it in large tubs, but sir suggested that that will expense more because it will cost around 100 to 150 per tub.
Cups.
So for 80 it costs like uh, 10,000 rupees approx, like. So So sir suggested that we they also have done such experiments, not exactly like this, but for some experiments they used to use such type of disposable glasses for your transplanting rice or other crops. So he suggested me that you use disposable glass like 200 or 250 ml glasses for each tub. We will need one or two seeds. Or actually, he suggested me that we have to first show the seeds in normal your rice beds, that is local cotiatolis we will use for. In normal condition we will sow those seeds, and after 30 days, 30 to 35 days of showing, we'll uh, we'll transplant those grown seedlings in the disposable glass. So after the in those glasses, actually we will treat the soil. Initially the soil will be collected, like nutrient excessive soils will be collected. So actually the main practice is to collect the soil uh, from lands where maize was cultivated for two cropping seasons and no external nutrient was applied. So this is the actual procedure. But he suggested that if we take some rich soil, or you can say the soil from deep areas, or recently you can say um, of deep লেভেল ৰঙামাটি যিটো actually uh, from you can say যে ৰঙামাটি একদম পুখুৰী একদম তলৰ যিটো ৰঙামাটি, so
Acha.
that can be used with the washed soils, sorry, sands. Actually, the sands collected from any source, and that we have to wash it properly and mix with the red soil,
Uh,
and then that soil can be taken as nutrient excess soil. So
okay.
this can be done, but we will actually in our literature or in our presentation we have to present is that like this, that those are nutrient excess soils, because commonly in deep areas or in the uh, in the bottom of the pond, those soils doesn't have less amount of nutrients, and if we add some you can sense washed sense, so definitely the soil becomes nutrient deficient soil. So after that we'll separate those soils into four parts. So first for first part we'll use all we'll apply supply all.
Mm.
For the second one, all the nutrients will be supplied except phosphorus, and the third one again, all the nutrients will be supplied except potassium, and for the fourth one will supply all the compounds required by the plants to be grown. So like this, we will create total 80 uh, tubs for four categories, 20 tubs each. So uh, then after three times of application of nutrients, they will start showing symptoms as per the suggestion of Dr. Bhavesh Gui sir.
Mm.
So then we'll capture 20 minimum 25 to sorry 250 images per category. So as a total of 1,000 images, more than 1,000 images per total, and we'll augment this images and create four times, and that is increase to 4,000 images. So we'll have a data set of nutrient deficient rice leaf images of 4,000 images. So this is the plan which I will be going to execute after Bihu. So after Bihu, I will prepare land where I will sow the seeds of rice, and like after May 15th or 20th, I will start putting or transplanting those fully grown seedlings into the temporary or disposable glasses, and it will start as per the discussion with Dr. Bhavesh. Within 1 or 2 months, we will get the symptoms of the deficiency of different symptoms, and then I will capture images for those images, and after capturing images, the Dr. Bhavesh sir will be validating the symptoms. So I have already asked him to provide his expertise in validating the symptoms of different deficiencies. So actually uh, consent given consent uh, uh, to those tasks. So actually, currently I am working on these two things, and after completion of these two tasks, I will go for classification model, which I have already uh, done the review part and published the review paper. So these three tasks work. I'm planning to work in this semester.
Okay, great. So, mm, it's good. We are again in the pace. Like I can see, everything is planned. But I was waiting for the result of that proposal, right? If
Yes,
we
yes. Still not getting any sir, reply from them. So I think can we write to them about regarding?
maybe because of the election or whatever, I don't know. But yes, we can write. Let's wait for this election to over.
After Bihu, we can I think
We can write. Okay.
yes.
After Bihu, we can write.
So if actually if that is sanctioned, then I will conduct in a large scale. This
Yes,
experiment
yes.
in large scale actually.
But as a
So
prototype, it is okay. It is good for the research. It is means for the what I can say pilot study. It is good, but we can extend it to a good one, if we get that.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Definitely,
And
and the other resources or other like labor and other requirements are there actually.
they will
Uh,
be covered. Hmm.
Yes, actually, he suggested because I'm going to expense I'm going to taking the responsibility for all the expenses. So he suggested me to use a disposable one, because but for like large scale area, we have to uh, take some plastic shed, plastic film, plastic can say plastics, and we have to take more amount of soil for huge areas actually. So for personal cases, this is I think okay, but for project mode, we will need more areas and more number of images as well as more you can say more number of rice
Right.
bands actually.
Even I can say that this is a good one for a DST kind of project where we may get a very large fund, right?
Yes,
So in if we see such type of proposal, means call for proposal, then we can go for that also. Because recently I have also with some another faculty, we have gone through one, and that is a very huge amount the DST is supporting, right? So DST project usually they give like 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, even crores of funding based on the requirement, right? So we should keep that in mind. And this one, just I thought that if we associate it with our work, then our work will get more credit. Okay. And let's hope positively. After Bihu, we will give mail to them to inquiring about the status.
should we propose simultaneously to the other organization you have mentioned, sir?
Yes, yes, definitely we have to propose because I don't think that anyone else from this region has done this. So no, we need to confirm, but in our own way because our methodology is different, so we can go with that, and we should basically target like DST and some specific organization like this one I forgot, um, that's related to the agriculture. Okay, they give very good projects, amount of projects, and it is very easy to get such type of project. We should target that.
Oh,
And nowadays, many such call for proposals are there.
oh,
So, Department of Biotechnology also means calling for such proposal. So we have to go and we have to link and associate our work. And our proposal is almost ready. We just need to change as per the format and we can submit.
yes, yes.
Okay.
So if we do it on in personal basis, then also we'll have some collaboration. Like we can write, we have collaborated with Assam Agricultural University, Krishi Vigyan Kendra Jorhat, as like
Yeah.
that. But funding, if funding is available, then we can think more. Sir.
More. Yes, yes, definitely. And next thing we have to give weightage to the publication also as per the requirement of the means PhD. So
Yes,
in that case, I can only say that any way if possible, like comparative analysis or some work, if we can propose for the publication, we should keep doing that so that we should not be that should not be a constraint for us that we are waiting for the last moment. Yes, for the last work after getting the data set, that will be a very good one. But in the meantime, also we should target some simple walks and with
sir.
already
For
available.
this one, I am going to actually if after getting the final results, I for this one the comparative study.
Mhm.
As we will definitely publish one paper for
Okay.
this one need, and another work I will have to think what should be what can be presented, what can be published. But
Mhm.
need estimator this one noise estimator and expert denoiser. For this, I will prepare paper and submit
Yes,
to a
yes,
journal or something like that.
yes. Because
Yeah.
see, means at the last moment because already I think 1.5 years completed, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we have left hardly 1 years.
Yes.
So, what I want that UGC requirement should be fulfilled, and the other, I mean, very weightful papers, impactful papers we can get only after the data collection is done from our end. So that way we take care of that. But in the meantime, if we get any call for the sectors or like good IEEE conferences or Springer one, and then some good journals where this type of data is also okay, then we should target that, right? We should keep trying so that after 2 year, means 1 years, we can show that, yes, 6 semester work, this semester work we have this semester work we have this. Okay, that will be very easy for us to defend. So that
Yes.
way we go. And I can see that you, both of you, basically yours one, let's say go to work, and no one can deny. But yes, if we can complete this tasks of this field study, and
Yes.
then that will be more impactful.
Yes. So at
Then,
least actually initially we are planning for 5,000 images, but if
mm,
only we get 1,000 images, then we can definitely augment, sir, no?
yes, yes,
So
we can augment.
yeah, sir, or
We can
we have
increase
to
the number that way.
increase the number.
Mhm.
So that currently I was planning if a fund is given by the STEC
Mhm.
or something from other organization, then definitely we can enlarge. But for personal basis, I am attempting to at least collect 4,000 images uh, for this
Oh,
research
yes.
project.
No, that's a very good, very good. The enthusiasm and interest I can see on you in your work now is very good. And even the team members are also saying, so we should keep doing that. We should continue to meet their expectation.
Yes.
And this is already April. In the month of May, I will keep the second means progress.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you. Then we will again meet after 10 days or like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.